Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up and disable the bedtime mode on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. To do so, first we're gonna go to the settings. In the settings, you will need to scroll down until you find digital well-being and parental controls. Then over here you can scroll down just a little bit to find bedtime mode, and then you can select this option in order to set this up. Over here you can enable and disable do not disturb mode for bedtime mode, and then you can press next. Over here you can choose the schedule for the bedtime mode. So in order to change the time, you can simply select the start or end time, and then you can select it on the clock. And then you can also choose which time of the day should be included for the bedtime mode. And then you can simply press done. Over here you have additional configuration where you can allow access to your app usage and sensor data. So we can enable and disable motion and light detection during your scheduled bedtime. This can be enabled and disabled, and the same goes with time zone history. So we're gonna press allow to grant access to those things. And then we have the bedtime mode where we can turn it on manually, or we can check the schedule. We can also configure it as well. We can also enable the charging when this bedtime mode is enabled. And we can also customize it further by going to customize. So this is pretty much it. You can also tap on these three dots in the top right corner in order to find some additional less important, let's say, options. And there we go. So now over here, if you go back to digital well-being and parental controls, you will find that the bedtime mode is set up, and you can press turn on in order to turn it on. And this is how it looks like. So the screen goes black and white. And we also have the dark mode, I think. We can also just pause for 30 minutes or turn off now. And there we go. So now the bedtime mode is set up. We can turn it on manually. We can just follow, or the device will follow the schedule. And you can also just turn on the bedtime mode when you are charging your device. And you can just select none if you don't want to use bedtime mode at all. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.